Looking for a living room design ideas? Here are several neutral living room design ideas, drawing inspiration from various styles to help you create a space that reflects your personal taste and meets your living needs. Let's get started. Let's see the timeless appeal of neutral living room designs. We'll guide you through creating a space that shows warmth, elegance, and adaptability, all while embracing a neutral palette. Neutral living rooms are far from dull. They are canvases waiting to be painted with your personal style, textures, and subtle contrasts. First, foundation and color palette. The concept of a neutral living room has grown significantly, offering a canvas that is anything but boring. Neutral design doesn't just stop at beige or white. Choose a color palette that matches with calmness and peace. Think whites, beiges, grays, and soft earth tones. These colors not only brighten your space, but also provide a flexible backdrop for a variety of design styles. Next, texture and layering. The secret to a captivating neutral living room lies in texture. Start with a foundational piece like this contemporary sofa. Layering different textures through pillows and throws adds depth and comfort to the neutral canvas. The use of cream tones throughout the space, from the walls to the furniture, creates a calm environment. Adding patterned cushions or a statement piece of art can introduce a subtle pop of color without overpowering the neutral scheme. An area rug can be a game changer in a neutral living room. Opt for patterns that are understated yet add an element of interest. This geometric pattern complements the room's aesthetic without overpowering it. Next, adding natural elements. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, and greenery to bring warmth to your living room. This coffee table not only serves a functional purpose, but also anchors the space with its rich, inviting tone. Greenery breathes life into your neutral living room, introducing color and vitality. Plants not only purify the air, but also add a layer of texture and visual interest. Choose a mix of sizes and species to create a mini indoor garden that grows well in your living space. Let natural light be your living room's best accessory. It enhances the textures of wood and stone, plays off the greenery, and fills the space with a peaceful glow. Use sheer curtains to soften the light and add a delicate texture to your neutral palette. Next, accent colors and decor. While embracing neutrality, don't shy away from accent colors. A splash of navy, deep green, or even blush can elevate your living room. Artwork is a wonderful way to inject personality into your living room. Choose pieces with muted colors that enhance the neutral theme without dominating it. Creating a dedicated space for relaxation can significantly enhance the comfort of your living room. This cozy corner, with its comfortable armchair and soft lighting, invites you to unwind with a good book. It's a perfect example of how functional elements can also serve as stylish additions to a neutral living room. Shelving can serve both a practical and decorative purpose. Here we've styled these floating shelves with ceramic vases in soft neutral tones, creating a visually appealing display that enhances the room's calm atmosphere. Lastly, lighting and layout. Lighting is key in setting the mood. A statement lighting fixture, like this one, not only illuminates the space but also serves as a striking focal point. Choose designs that reflect your style while complementing the neutral theme. And remember, the layout should invite conversation, comfort, and connection. Arrange your seating to encourage interaction, with sofas and chairs facing each other or in a semicircle. Ensure there's enough space for movement, creating a welcoming path through your living area. With the right lighting and a thoughtful layout, your neutral living room can transform into a flexible space that caters to relaxation, entertainment, and everything in between. It's not just about design, it's about creating a backdrop for life's moments. Remember, a neutral living room doesn't mean a lack of color. It's about balance, fineness, and layering. With these tips, you can design a space that's both elegant and inviting. Until then, enjoy creating a living room that's a true reflection of your style. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.